It is time to get the blower sent out and get ported and rebuilt. We're also going to have some more goodies, but this video is sponsored by Kong Performance. If you guys don't know who Kong Performance is, you're really missing out. I'll explain, a little bit of what we're going to be getting done to the blower, the direction we're going to be moving with the build, and a lot of stuff, that I'm going to be trying to do moving forward. And I'm really excited to, start this process and this journey, and I'm really, excited to share this also with all of you guys and bring everybody along for the experience. So I also went ahead and I picked up a nitrous billet lid. So this lid has the nitrous spray bars integrated onto the inside. I picked this up secondhand. I got it for a really good deal, and I'm really excited to see how it's supposed to, and I'm really excited to see the gains and the real benefits of running this lid. I got it for a smoking deal. Doug Ritter, I appreciate you on helping me out with getting this. He has two 8-second demons, I think. So I picked this up off of him, and the blower has already been taken all apart. The snout is just on there right now, just so that I can show you guys what we're working with. So this is a 2.4 liter supercharger. I have a Grip Tech pulley on here, and this is the same pulley ring that I was running on my car before. And as you can see, there's not really much coating left on there. This whole ring here is all silver, and the majority of the tops are all silver. And that's another reason why my belt was slipping so bad, was because this thing doesn't have anything on there. The belt, was fairly brand new. This is the old blower, which was fairly brand new, but that whole thing, as you can see right there, decided to lock up, and we have a replacement blower, courtesy of AudioCat. And like I mentioned before, this is the Nitrous Express billet lid. I'm not sponsored by them or anything else like that. This is just a proven product, so I want to try it out for myself and see if I have any luck with it. We're going to be sending this blower out to get a full rebuild and porting, max up for 2.4 liter supercharger porting from Kong Performance. And what they're going to be doing is porting out this whole intake inlet, the inside of the supercharger housing and everything, so you can see how it looks now. And you'll be able to see how it looks right after all the porting is done. This gasket and everything is going to be all ported out. It's going to be max effort porting, and we're doing this in the full race bearing rebuild on the supercharger. And we'll also be running some FI interchiller spacer plate gaskets. So these are redesigned from the OEM gaskets, which have this little gasket material here. I never had any issues with leaking boost through any of this, but apparently people do. So this is another little enhancement for the blower. Hopefully with all of this, man, we're gonna see 1,000 wheel plus. I'll have to do a lot of other stuff to keep my car together from breaking after all of this stuff gets put on the car. So enough jibber jabber. Let me go ahead and take the blower all the way apart, put it in this box, get it all shipped out, and then get it all shipped back from Kong Performance. And also, this is the new merch. It's on my website, boosted-lucky.com. If you guys want to support your boy and grab some, I would really appreciate it. I have a few sizes left. I'll be restocking because we sold out of most of it already. You guys are killing it on that. Boosted-lucky.com. They're all listed on there. So grab some sizes while you can. There's very limited quantities left, and I really appreciate you guys again for supporting the channel and supporting me and the build. So let's go ahead and get this all taken all apart. So when you order your box from Kong Performance, they're going to ship it into this they're going to ship it to you in this proprietary supercharger box. So I'll go ahead and cut this thing open for you guys. Need a sharper blade, unless those are staples. Those are staples. Gosh, they really did it on this. They did really good on their packaging, I'll tell you that. I feel so bad opening it up. Yeah. So once you've opened up the box and everything, all that you'll need to do now is take the actual blower all apart. So all of the components, as you can see, have been taken off of my supercharger, and I'll now throw them inside of here, inside of the blower box. So I'll lift up this lid, and as you can see, we have a perfect cutout for the supercharger to sit inside of. So I'll go ahead and drop this in there now. And there it sits inside of the box. So I don't need to send my lid, I don't need to send anything else, so I'll just go ahead and close this all up, send it out, and put my order information inside of here so that they'll know whose it is, and be good to go. Go ahead and close this all up. So I got it all taped back up. I didn't do the best of jobs, but it is done. So now I take it over to the shipping office and send it off. Alright, so the supercharger has been dropped off. Kong Performance is going to do their thing on that. We'll pick up the video on that whole, ordeal once the supercharger makes it back. Alright, so this is the state of the Hellcat right now. Ultimate goal, man, get an 8-second quarter mile. It has a mile an hour. It has majority of all the other little stuff. I'll need some suspension components and just some other little stuff, but the way that the car is set up right now, it should be able to do it. It has a mile an hour to do it. I just need to get my 60 foot down, and now with the ported blower set up and everything else like that, this car's about to be a whole lot faster, and I'm excited for it. I'm here for it, and I hope everybody else is also, because it's something that I really want. It's something I've been working really hard for, and we'll get it, man. I do drive it every day. This is a daily driven car. Stuff is going to break. This isn't just my little weekend beater car or something like that. So we'll see what ends up happening. I've been having a whole lot of fun with it and everything, and I can't really ask much more of it. And I really want to take the little racing program stuff that I have right now to the next level. So I'm going to be a lot more consistent. I'm going to go to the track a whole lot more, and just really get this thing dialed in. So all I ask is you guys be patient with me as I am learning, and I'm still trying to do my best to give you guys the best content and make a lot of awesome stuff happen. But it's gonna take me some time. It's gonna be some growing pains and stuff, and that is what it is. It's part of the process. But like I said, if you guys stick with me, we'll get there. But that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys like the content, please drop a like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next upload.